Hi everyone, my name is Sotheany and today we are going to learn 5 words from lesson 22. Are you ready? Let's get started. So, the first word is believe. Believe. Believe we can spell B-E-L-I-E-V-E. Believe. For example, I believe that God can save me from sin. Believe. For the second word is bright. Bright we can spell B-R-I-G-H-T. Bright. Bright. For example, we cannot look at the sun because it is too bright. Bright. The third word is decorate. Decorate. Decorate we can spell D-E-C-O-R-A-T-E. Decorate. For example, me and friends help my teacher to decorate our classroom. Decorate. And the fourth word is far away. Far away. Far away we can spell F-A-R-A-W-A-Y. Far away. For example, some people cannot live far away from their family. Far away. And the last word is holiday. Holiday. Holiday we can spell H-O-L-I-D-A-Y. Holiday. For example, Nita loves to go out on the holiday. Holiday. Okay, now we will repeat it again from the first word. Believe. Believe. Bright. Bright. Decorate. Decorate. Far away. Far away. Holiday. Holiday. Okay, thank you so much everyone for your time and attention. And please don't forget to comment all your sentences that you made. We will help you check. If it's correct, we will give you a thumbs up. And if you want to watch a full video with Miss Jenny Taylor, please don't forget to click the link that we drop it for you. Bye bye, see you in the next video. God bless you.